Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about constant in PHP. A constant is a name or an identifier for a fixed value. Constant are like variables except that once they are defined, they cannot be undefined or changed. Constants are very useful for storing data that doesn't change while the script is running. Common examples of such data include configuration settings such as database username and password, website base URL, company name, etc. Constants are defined using PHP define function, which accepts two arguments, the name of the constant and its value. Once defined, the constant value can be accessed by any time just by referring to its name. Naming conventions for PHP constants. Name of constants must follow the same rules as variable names, which means a valid constant name must start with a letter or underscore, followed by any number of letters, numbers of underscores, with one exception. The dollar prefix is not required for constant names. So let's create a new file, constant.php, and then define the variable name company underscore name, and let's assign a value ABC Private Limited, and then echo simply company name. And here's the company name. Let's take another example. Define site URL, and let's assign its value. And here is the site URL. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.